So this is the boomerang plane. It's designed to, when thrown, go around in a circle and come back to you. It can also do a loop-the-loop that's pretty cool. Kids really like this. It's a really low-cost engagement tool. The children can either make it themselves or you can make it with them and then use it to experiment different ways of flying. Here's how to make it step by step.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, here's the test flight for the boomerang. Take two. Oh! Hold it there, hold it there. One more go. That keeps getting in the way.